Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good, fine. Today our topic is creating a calculator in C sharp. So we in our next lecture we do one by one the most uh, asked question and use application in C sharp. तो इस तरीके से हमने अपना जो है ना सी शार्प का फॉर्म जो है फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डिज़ाइन आवर सी शार्प फॉर्म लेट्स सी दैट we have the form is this. So how to adjust it? Let's run it first. Okay, it's give something else because my another work is continued and I just see go to the program css if you want to run your current. So I have the current is 3 which I want to work, so go to and now start execute. Yes, it's now I want look, this is going something like this and this, so I want to adjust it one thing to take it in center and the other that it is adjustable according to the form. So to move towards this, first you go to the form size. Here this is the form size and copy it, control copy, and here the maximum size, control V, and same okay, the maximum and minimum size of this. Okay, now what is the next thing to do is that our form show us in the center of this. Okay, center of the screen, not at this side. For this we just change its position, start position, to the center screen. And now start or run the program. Okay, yes, now see, first thing that you want to show this is in the center and the next is okay. Now what we have to do is adjust, it's not move, and this is okay. Now what next to you, I hope that कि आप लोगों को फॉर्म डिज़ाइन करना आता होगा. जस्ट pick the form from add the form and then pick the data toolbox, the buttons and text boxes, and then arrange it and give the text to those. And now what we have to do, we just want to do that, give one by one. We want to do what we want to do, we want to do to show the data of 1 to this text box, same 2 to this and this. For this, first we have just change the name of our text box. Okay, name of our text box, where is the name? Okay, this is the name. So we, let's suppose we keep it text total. Okay, text total. Okay, just we give this. Okay, now what to next? When we click to one, it show the data to the text box. Like I just I click one, it give the data to this. I click 4 5 6 7 what. So first of all we just do this, go to our form and one by one go to the button click. So what we have to do, we have to do text total dot text equal to total, sorry, text total dot text. Okay, and add what we have to add, there. What is this button? Which button is this? Just copy it and place it. Okay. uh, so here it happened, it show us the data of the button to this, it gave the data of this button to this. So let's run it and then we clear it. After that, just we have to see is it working. Oh, it's showing the Windows system button text is equal to, okay, it's give the some little error. Just we check out what is the error. Now just start it. We are just show that, okay, let's, yeah, it's shown, it's working. Okay, if you want to increase the font of this, you simply go to the design form and then you can change the form of the text box also. So one by one what we have to do, we just one by one give same code to all of this. So let's start. Yeah. Now what we have to do, just run our application and check what is the 1, right, 2, 3, check it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. All done. Now here our text of the buttons are shown into the text box. What we have to do next, what we want to do is, it's not working because of still we are not did this. Okay, so next what we have to do, 1 plus and 1, it gave the 2, it give us 2. So for this just we work, let's come to int result and option. Further see what we have to do, go to our design. Okay, now first level plus, Yes, it's almost working. Now next thing is to do equal. So one by one we design all these buttons, and this is minus, so option equal to minus and num1 equal to int dot mm, dot text. Just the text equal to is equal to dot to dot zero go yes. Okay, come here. Text dot clear. I just call the method and done it. Same we go to all this and copy it and paste here. Okay, and just write the divide and go next to all this and paste here and just change this option to this. Okay, now almost work is done. Now next what we have to do, we work on this button. So this is a clear button. When we click this, it show the result in this text box. So let's do. And for this, to go to our design and come here, and now what we have to check, first we check pass the value to the num2, and then one by one we use if condition to check all the option. If it matches to that option, display the result of that, otherwise to check it next, and so on. And at end we just this at the end we use else, that you use invalid character, invalid operation. So just dot text, why it's giving the error non workable the text bar, text total dot text. So let's see what we have to do. Oh, so, this is not method. And just now we if if option dot equals to this, okay, then क्या हो, results show re result equal to what we have, num1 and num2. Okay, so this same, just we copy this if and paste here, v control v, and so let's just have simple. Okay, this if, and if this minus, then it is minus, this is divide, then it give, and this is if. Now this is, now run it. Okay, 2 plus 2 equal to, it's not working. Let's see what is, yeah, text dot total text equal to what, text show the result of this. Okay, they we, and that's, I think it's done. Why is it not working? There is some error. What is the error? Cannot implicitly convert into, okay, we, let's start, run it again. Now I hope it's work. Okay, 2 plus 2, 6 equal to 0. It's not giving any answer. Okay, check. Yes, go back and check it again. Now we keep our operations into double quotes. Now again start. So 2 plus 6 equal to 8. So it's working. Yes, it's working. Now the next what we have to do, we work on this clear button. Go there and just text total
dot clear. Okay, and then what we have, other variables, result equal to 0 and num1 equal to 0 and num2 equal to 0. This is okay. Yes, I have this working. Okay, 25 minus 5 equal to 20. Okay, now clear, it's done. I hope you learn how to create calculator, and we will discuss new chapter, new topic in our next video. Keeping this is actually 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. 5 multiplied by 6 equal to your no. Okay, sorry, I just have clear. 5 multiplied by 6, now it's give the 30 answers. So all is done. Yes.